Let's go mga Zay. Ulan kaayo oy. Ngita mig 7-Eleven and then naghanap kami ng damit ni Mister. Sabi ko makapagdamit ay. Uy, kakuan sa weather uy. Galing kami nag-coffee. Uy, this is very risky, Jud. This is very risky talaga. Na mag-vlog-vlog ako sa inyo nga ulan. Kuan. Hello. No, this is not your type.
Yeah, it's not my style. But that's the only option.
I think they have more different.
You know where I can buy this kind?
I don't know because around here I think only like this or
Yeah.
because
Oh, okay, thank you.
Hola, buenos dias. Good morning everyone. Ayan, nag-order na si Mr. ng breakfast. Wow, ang ganda ng view. Wow, nice weather today. We have to hurry. We have to hurry today. Kailangan nating mabilisang mag-get ready and do something today kay ang weather, it can be changed quickly, Day. It can change quickly. So, let's check it. Ay, sunny today. Pero alauna muulan. Pero 40% lang siya. But yeah, we have to do something today. And first, breakfast. Siguro mag-shower ako, I'm not sure. Hello, morning. And then, mag-shopping. Today is a shopping day. Actually, kahapon, kahapon sa, anong oras ba yun? Mga alas 6, alas 4. Pero grabe ang ulan, day. Nagali ko nag-vlog kay mahadlok, matakot lagi ako na mabasa mo, day. Kay dili man gud ni siya water resistant. So, I'm not sure kung ilan ba tong nito, yung sa water resistant nito. Nagplano ako na bibili na naman ako ng bagong camera, kay ambot lagi ani mga articles kung palitan. Ewan ko lang kung bibilhan pa ba ako ni Mister kay nanubra na. Karon ngayon nagsisisi ako dahil yung computer ko hindi ko siya masyadong magamit kay Android versus Apple. Minsan kasi dito ako nagfi-film. Yung problema ni auntie ninyo. So, yung mga clip, kailangan ko pa siyang i-send, i-kuan. But I'm not sure dyan talaga nung na magpabili pa ako ng camera kay murag dili na manggod sa kuan. Di na siya ang kita ba, ang revenue sa ako ang vlog karon wa nay katunga pang load na lang dai na naon sa nata kabawi ani dapat tayo tax baryo nun. Pero okay lang yan kay tignan ko lang lagi kung palitan pa ba tayo. Hello mga auntie girls. Ayan. Mamasyal tayo kasi maganda yung weather. Kabalo mo, day. Yung napkin ko baka murag bugnaw kay siya din. Mura siya ka na. Ice water. Akong kuan ba, akong napkin kay grabe ka bugno, mura siya kuan. Murag snowbird.
What a wonderful life. How lucky am I that I get to hold your pretty hands in mine. No clouds in the sky, nah, when you're by my side. It's like the sun is shining from those eyes. And darling, when you look at me, I forget how to breathe. The noise starts turning to a song. And I was blind, but now I see. Looked for eternity, but you were right there all along. You're where I belong. You're where I belong. With you by my side, feels like the rain is gone. I'm holding on like the sun in the sky, like the stars in the night. When I look in your eyes, I knew it all along, all along. You're where I belong, where I belong. It's true, I'm ruined by you. So over my head, what can I do? Can't even see straight without you. And I can't lie, get me so nervous, I'm better than wine. People say love is fleeting, then why does every day with you feel like the happiest day of my life? 'Cause darling, when you look at me, I forget how to breathe. The noise starts turning to a song. And I was blind, but now I see. Look for eternity, right there all along. You're where I belong.
Maybe this one here, they have a room Ricky guest house. Would be good. Can ask later. This is a nice thing. Huh? Ayan, nandito na kami sa villa. Kaya hindi kami nagstay dito, day. Diyan. Nag-add pala sila ng isang unit. Ayan mga antikels, galing kami dun sa villa na inistihan namin before na sobrang ganda. Pero yun nga lang is hindi kami magstay doon kay meron silang construction, sobrang ingay. Akala ko ito ba yung ibig niyo sabihin? I thought this one you wanted. No, there's no restaurant there. So wala kaming napili na room. We have to go all the way up. Check namin kung anong meron doon. Ang dami nang ganito talaga no pag ang place sobrang ganda. Then makita nila na maraming opportunity. Oh. Dahil syempre lahat everything build up. So let's go to the brick. Ay naku, saan naman yung spaghetti dito eh. Another restaurant here. Oh, it's already finished.
You don't want to sit on this one?
Yeah.
Huh?
But you said it's expensive.
Yeah, but never mind.
I see the room there already. Meron na palang ano dito oh. Meron na palang restaurant. Let's go. And then there's also one there. Another restaurant.
Yeah, 2, 3.
Here's the reception.
Hello. No, it's only massage.
I also like here. It's also nice here. Oh, there. Some rice. Meron silang rice field ay oh. Bago pang tanim. And then tignan nyo oh. Hello. Bisma Buddha. Asa man ko ano? Reception.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Oh, we asked.
Do you have a room?
Yeah.
Ah, I see, my love. So let's go and check the room. Meron daw silang room. Ang ganda dito day. Uy. Lami sa ilang view diri day. Na sila kamunggay. Oh. Kahaya. Ubod Villa. Alsahan mo ang paa mo ani para hindi ka pumalakpak. Nice kaayo day. Wow. Gusto ko ito. Can we have that?
Yeah, no, that's it.
This
I missed the long way.
wow. What a nice view. And it's so peaceful. Super. Thank you.
Yeah.
Nice view.
Bisa dipakai. You can wear.
Ah, okay.
I just forget where you come from.
How much is this one?
Direct price, I make the 900.
900. Yeah.
Because in booking, it's 1.2 or 4 depend.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Oh. So, nakapabook na kami ng room. Pina-reserve namin ng 3 nights. para bukas mag-move kami dito. Kasi mas gusto talaga namin dito sa rice field mga Auntie Kels kaysa sa doon sa matraffic na area. So, dito muna tayo. Magpahinga, may naliligo. Ayan. Yan yung swimming pool nila. And yan yung restaurant. Ang ganda. Sobra. And meron silang coconut. Makapag-relax ka dito. Ayan. Alam nyo ba, dito na place, hindi ako ma-feel na, hello, hindi ako ma-feel na maboboard ako kasi, alam mo yung feelings na pakiramdam ko is nasa Pilipinas lang din ako. Yan yung isa sa rason na kaya gusto kong pabalik-balik talaga dito sa Bali. Nasa big birds na. Ana si Mister nang ana nang ani naghumay. Yawan nila diri day oy. What ay sorry. One way road. Kinahanglan jud ka diri day driver jud ka day kabalo jud ka mo drive. What did you do? You cut the banana.
Yes.
Why you cut banana? You wanna plant somewhere else? Yes, karon.
You're where I belong. You're where I belong. With you by my side, feels like the rain is gone. I'm holding on like the sun in